Salarpuria Sattva welcomes you to a life you've always wanted. With an ultra-modern residential property in the future of Bangalore, Devanahalli Town, located just 10 minutes away from the International Airport and in close proximity to the Aerospace Park, ITIR and Nandi Hills, it lies in the city's most exciting and rapidly developing investment hub. Salarpuria Sattva welcomes you to Park Cubix, a fine collection of 1,620 elegant homes spread over a lush green 18-acre property in an upcoming modern neighborhood, consisting of 2 clubhouses with more than 25 amenities and plush 1, 2 and 3 BHK homes. Park Cubix is designed to fulfill every wish, need and lifestyle. The outdoors combine peace and serenity with fun and adventure to offer happiness in every square foot. Be it wide-ranging sports courts, nature-embracing spaces, leisure zones and exhilarating adventure sports, Park Cubix has everything for everyone. Social events and celebrations get an opulent venue with spacious open-air amenities. And sports and fitness lovers get Crystal, a new fashioned clubhouse that will turn individuals into champions. With Crystal, every day is a better and healthy day. From all-action sports to super fun indoor games to high-energy fitness areas, it provides the best of all worlds. The fun is continued with an outdoor pool and a jogging track that are cradled by beautifully landscaped spaces. The well-designed homes at Park Cubix are the keys to a great life. Each unit is tailored to make life comfortable with smart designs, airy rooms and stylish spaces. It's a home with no ceiling on happiness. And the jewel in the crown is Gold Leaf, a revolutionary lifestyle clubhouse decked with modern amenities. Every floor in the clubhouse is diligently planned and laid out with a variety of leisure and entertainment zones. A symbol of perfection, the Gold Leaf makes a good life great. With innovative amenities, aesthetically designed spaces and elegant homes, the latest star from Salarpuria Sattva is Park Cubix, a landmark project that signals a better future. Park Cubix, nurturing every facet of life.